This is Speaking in Tongues 101. Today we're going to be learning how the Holy Spirit speaks through you. And it is very simple. There are a lot of teachings out there on how to grow in praying in the Spirit. But today it's just a simple one. It is learning how to yield and how to pray and how to speak in the Spirit. Speak in tongues. It is very simple. Number one, make sure that you are a Christian. You have given your life to Christ. You are a believer, and Jesus is Lord of your life. Number two, have the desire to be filled with the Spirit and to grow in the Spirit. The desire leads you to understand that all you need to do is yield to the Holy Spirit and let Him speak through you. Number three, whatever environment you find yourself, all you need to do is ask the Holy Spirit to fill you and give you utterance. Now open your mouth and say after me, Holy Spirit, thank you for the gift of speaking in tongues. I ask you, Holy Spirit, please fill me now. Give me utterance to speak in tongues. Now, the third thing you need to do is open your mouth and speak. You're going to be speaking in an unknown tongue. You're going to be speaking in a tongue that it will come in different ways. When I started speaking in tongues, I started laughing. It was strange. I felt strange. I felt, oh, what is nonsense? All this nonsense, you know? There are so many ways people speak in tongues. All you need to do is to yield and open your mouth and just let out that thing that is coming out of your mouth. Like every other language that we learn, we start little and then we get better at it. So do that. Speak it. Yeah, that thing. Some people go, yeah. Some people did it. Some people, however, it's not for me to prescribe. It's for you to just open your mouth and speak. Yes, speak it. Speak it. Speak it. Yes, speak it. Speak it. Yes, speak it. Continue. Continue. Yes, speak it. Speak it. Yes, speak it. Speak it. Ebo sokoro boshokoro roba sekara roba sakara basaba. Eke bosokoro boshokoro bashakara bakara bara bara bara. Ebo da bada 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 bada. Ebo da bada 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 ku kama le bosokoro boshokoro. And as you get better, and as you spend more time on with the Holy Spirit talking to God, and as you begin to speak some more, You will begin to find out you will enter different dimensions. The tongues may remain the same, but you would have entered some deeper seas. You would have entered some deeper terrains. Continue to speak. Congratulations. Continue to speak and allow the Holy Spirit, allow the Holy Spirit, allow the Holy Spirit speak through you and for you. Mashuko toko ba de ke bosoko roba sharaba ebo soko robo saka teke de emo soko ro koro karaba seke de boshoko robo sabaraba